Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this dual color gold and silver text effect in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support my channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just closing this page. I opened already a new Canva tab, just using this is a Instagram post feed Canva size. I just already had this golden plate, this golden metal texture, duplicating it and going to the edit, adjust, and scrolling down to the color and moving the saturation to -100 and increase the clarity a bit, decrease the shadow a bit, and I think like this is enough. I open a new page and go into the apps. And in the apps, I searching for the font frame. Just font frame. Yes. Important to typing without a space, otherwise we cannot find it. So I open this font frame application. I just adding the text to here. What I want, I do some Canva teacher tutorial, go into the settings. I can choose the different font, what we prefer more. Just randomly try to find some bolder one, like this alpha step 1. The online thickness I just reduced to 15. Add some lateral spacing. Also the line spacing a bit increased like this. And just going back to the image and text and just selecting my golden plate and use the select image. And just add to design and add one more page. So this one is just increasing the size to the width of the Canva and just set it middle in a arrange settings. Just going to the next page. No, first I just select the silver one. Use select image. Actually, just everything is the same. I just changing the picture what I use. Go into the other empty page and add to design. I'm doing the same, increasing the size and set it to the middle. In this case, both pictures, both text, but in this case, this text is a picture is in the same position. Changing the background color to blue. Same here. And now what I need an item which can masking the text. So I'm here. I will let you use the same as in the other picture. We'll let you use the golden in the middle. So I need a masking, like in this case a triangle. And for here, I will let you mask the outside part of the triangle. And here I will let you mask only the inside. So here we'll let you use the triangle, and here in the other page I would like to mask everything outside of the triangle. So first I go into the elements shapes, see all, and looking for this triangle, just rotating it to 90 degrees. Just a bit closer like this, and to here, and increasing the size to the full text like this. And it's this one also moving to the side of the frame, side of the Canva or the page. So now I need to duplicate this. So Ctrl C, I'm going to hit Ctrl V and duplicate it. And now have to change the direction to 90 degrees to here. And changing to this one to blue, not to blue, like the yellow, just to see is any gap between or not, but I didn't see any gap, so I can change it to blue. And now I just need to duplicate this effect, this small triangle, and moving down below this light blue triangle. In this case, as you can see, I have this text will be visible when I go into the position, layers, and delete this portion. And here I just have to change the color to this blue, same as the background. So now you will see what is going here now, what is going on. So I just mask this portion from the silver and mask out the other side of this golden one. And now the only thing what we need is we have to merge them. Open a new page. Now just adding this light silver to white background, and this is just page number 2 and page number 3. So I'm going to download first page number 2, scrolling down, wait until it's downloaded. I just drop it to the new page, share, download again. Now page number 3, doing the same, dropping to here, increasing the size versus fitting to the one of the corner, increasing the size, removing background, and now right click layer, send to back, doing the same with the golden one, increasing the size, remove background, and now it's working. As you can see, due to we are masking both text in the same part. Just here for the golden one we mask everything outside, and in the silver we masking out the inside part. And when we merge them, we will have this nice effect. And even if we want to be better, we can still moving both pictures. Then first just using the same blue. Yes, now I can grab what I want. So now I need a new page again, going back to gradient at this silver one. This is silver to white. So I need this page number 4, download. I just downloaded the page number 4. And now these two pictures, two texts is merged to one. So now it's only one item. So removing the background. And now I can go to the edit, shadow, drop shadow, and I can changing the distance a bit, increasing the intensity to 90, the blur just a bit, and now we have this final outcome. It's a really nice silver gold text effect with now in this case now you can see with nice shadow. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you like it, please like my tutorial, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Ciao.